Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Ramadhanti from PBIB. My student number is 22 2020 50 62. This is consonant paragraph. Twilight descended, casting long shadows across the rugged terrain. A gentle breeze whispered through the rustling leaves, carrying the scent of damp earth and pine needles. Crickets chirped rhythmically, their song a soothing counterpoint to the crackling fire. Stars twinkled like diamonds in the velvety sky, their light illuminating the silhouettes of towering trees. A sense of tranquility enveloped the landscape, broken only by the occasional hoot of an owl or the distant howl of a wolf. Consonant sounds from consonant paragraph is t, w, f, m, g, and n. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.